So hi everyone, welcome back to Electronics Geek. So Qualcomm is hiring for the post of DSP firmware engineer. So let's see who can apply for this application and what are the eligibility criteria. So before going further, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to join our Telegram group. The link is in the description. Qualcomm is hiring for the post of DSP firmware engineer. Salary you can expect is about 6 lakh to 19 lakh per annum as per the Glassdoor. So the salary will depend upon the interview and the job location is Hyderabad. The batches that can apply for this application is 2023 and below batch can easily apply. So let's understand what is DSP firmware engineer. So basically a DSP firmware engineer is a professional who is specialized in developing and implementing firmware for digital signal processing, that is DSP applications. So the role of a DSP firmware engineer involves designing and developing the algorithms, implementing them in a firmware, and testing and debugging the firmware to ensure that meet the requirement of the DSP applications. As a DSP firmware engineer, you will be working closely with the hardware engineer as well as software engineer and the system architecture to ensure that the firmware is optimized for the performance and power consumption. Let's see the qualification requirement. So the student from bachelor or master degree, that is BE, BTech or ME, MTech in electrical and electronics and communication can easily apply. And the skill requirement is you should have a very good knowledge of C programming as well as you should have very good knowledge of digital signal processing and digital communication as well as MATLAB programming. So how you can apply for this application? Just click on apply here. I will put the link in the description as well as in the comment section. From there you can easily apply. So once you click on apply here, you will be redirected to this particular page. Here just click on apply. So you can apply with your resume or you can apply manually. So to apply manually, first you need to sign in. If you do not have an account, you can create the one by clicking on create an account. So once you sign in or create an account, you will see this in your screen. So this is an application form. Here you have to fill all the details carefully. From here you can select the social media, and if they will ask for the email address, you can add Electronics Geek email address, that is info@electronics geek. Okay, so this is an email ID which you can use. So here click on no. You just fill up your name, your address, your phone number, and click on save and continue. So now here in the work experience section, in the job title you can type NA. So in the date section you can mention April 2023. Role description, type NA. So in the education section, just fill out your institute name or degree and the area of field and the CGPA. So if you had any certification, you can add that as well. In the skills, type these skills that matches the job description or required skill set, like they need C, MATLAB. So you can add those in this skill section, as well as do not forget to add those skills in your resume so that the chances of your resume to get shortlist will be higher. In the resume section, just upload your resume and click on save and continue. So in the application questions, from here you can select I am applying for a position both in United States and outside the United States. Okay, and just click on save and continue. So while entry disclosure, click on gender name, click on I consent, and click on save and continue. So in the review section, you have to check whether all the information provided by you is correct or not. If you find any mistake, just go back and correct it, and at last just click on submit. Okay, so remember that you will receive the mail only if your resume gets shortlisted. And yes, if you find any difficulties in filling up this application form, or if you had any other questions, you can comment it below, or you can message me on our Instagram handle. Do not forget to like this video and share this video with your friends, and I will be back with other updates. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.